Now before I install these, you've got to, you know, it comes with this little plastic goodie at the end. Some are metal. This one happens to be a heavy plastic, but as you figure out where to put these, you may have to dig this ground. This ground may be hard pan. You may have rocks down in there, and then you've got to figure out how far away from the concrete curb and the grass do you want it, so when the head's up, you don't want the head encroaching over. You don't want that pipe so close over to this edge. You see what I mean? I'm going to move it over a little bit. Same thing over here. I don't want the head over so it's stuck out beyond the edge of this. Okay. In fact, I'll probably have the head about there, so the pipe is the piece that I put down in there is probably going to be there. So I'm going to measure and come up with an idea of where exactly I want those. That way I'll figure out exactly the distance I want. And lucky for me, I've dug most of this stuff, and then I had to backfill this, so this ground is pretty soft. I should be able to get them in there with no problem. But if you need to, you know, you can use a shovel. You can use this big old flat bar. This flat bar has a point on it. You see, and then this has a flat end. I call it a flat bar, but that thing's, even though it's 4 feet long or so, that thing's heavy. You can get those 5-6 feet tall if you want, but then it makes it heavier. I can get out pretty much any rock I want with this thing here. And believe it or not, this little crowbar, I mean, you could beat that in and make a hole. Once I get the hole, I could put that flat bar in there and dig down and kind of wedge it around back and forth. Maybe make it big enough to get my end stake in there. Okay, and not all of them are going to be the same as this one. Okay, you could have metal ones, and this metal one, see, it's pointy. See there? It's like that, and they had a bead in there. I just happened to push that in, but it was about there. I think it was probably over a little bit, because I had all this dug out, because I had all kinds of roots. You should have seen the hole I had right here, because these roots had come over, and then there was a bush here, and then there was some other stuff, and there was the drip irrigation pipe. Main drip irrigation pipe was down there, and these drippers were here. These drippers were in the way, and I had to make sure to be real careful with that. And then I backfilled it and just kind of poked that in for the time being. Okay, so that's what I want to do. I want to figure out where those go, and get ready to install these lights.